Yeah, very good afternoon to all of you. Uh, Before I start off, few things which I have to tell you. Please concentrate here. The human mind is always looking out for something which is very, very comfortable. Okay? And if you fall in that kind of a comfort zone, then you will not achieve anything in life. So please try to come out of that comfort zone. Is that clear? So if sir says that we'll sit for another 15 minutes extra, you should say that yes sir, बैठेंगे. Is that clear? And make sure that you never fall in that particular comfort zone, because I've seen many of them, once they fall in that comfort zone, things are gone. And sometimes, as parents and teachers, we feel, at least I'm seeing my own children now, correct? I sometimes feel that they're in their teens, they're able to understand the things now, we'll leave them. But nahi hoga wo. Someone has to be there to pull them down. If they're getting into that kind of a comfort zone, it is our duty to pull them back. So I am going to pull you all back. If I feel that you're slowly slipping into that particular zone, I don't want you all to slip into that comfort zone. Every human being, even I want it. Aram chahiye yaar. Then that's the end of learning. Then that's the end of doing something great in your life. That'll also come to a stop still. I don't want especially CA students to fall in that particular zone. Get out of that comfort zone. Ensure that things are taken seriously when it comes to studies. Not even a single minute you should be wasting. You should be continuously doing your studies. Oh, last bench. Oh, mobile bidro. I want that. And sometimes I cannot take care of everyone here. Mobile note battery, admat battery. You should have that kind of thing right now into your head. And I've seen many students, okay, after writing CA exams and they don't clear the exams, then they realize all their mistakes. What all mistakes they have done in the class. How they have wasted their time in mobile, in other things. Then you'll start realizing. Probably will not realize it right now. But I don't want you all to fail only. And for that, you have to sacrifice a lot. Okay? So please ensure you don't slip into that particular comfort zone. Okay, shall we proceed? Question number 3 is done or yet to be done? Okay, I'll read it for you. Question number 3. AB started a business on 1st January 2022 with the capitals of 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. According to the partnership deed, B is entitled to a salary of 500 per month and interest is to be allowed on the opening capitals at 6% per annum. The remaining profits are to be distributed among the partners in the ratio of 5:3. During 2022, the firm earned a profit before charging interest to B and salary to B and interest on capital amounting to rupees 25,000. During the year, A withdrew 8,000 and 10,000. B withdrew 10,000 for domestic purpose. So this is drawings. Prepare P&L appropriation account. What we'll do is we'll prepare both P&L appropriation account as well as partners capital account. Is that clear? And partners capital account will take fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method is only one capital. Is that clear? Okay. Shall we proceed? Yeah? One second. Okay. I'll work out here. Profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, you also work out, guys. You also work out. Simultaneously will prepare. This is illustration 3, okay? Debit, credit. Simultaneously will prepare what? Partners capital account. Fast, fast. Partners capital account. Who are the partners? A and B. All of you are ready? Okay? Fast, fast, fast. P&L appropriation, partners capital. Now, if you look at the sum says A and B started business with capital of 30,000 and 20,000. So it will be by bank 30,000 and 20,000. Balance nahi hai because they have started the business. So it is they have introduced the cash. Cash account debit to partners capital. Is that clear? Then have they given the profits during the year? Hello guys, have they given the profits during the year? They have given here. During 2022 the firm earned a profit, but before charging salary to B and interest on capital amounting to rupees how much? 25,000. So 25,000 is profit before appropriation. Where it will come? By, tell me, net profit. Net profit account gets closed, transferred to P&L appropriation. 25,000. Clear? Now, please answer this. How much is the salary paid to B? 500 per month. So 500 into 12, 6,000. So tell me the entry. Salary to partners. Tell me. Salary to B account debit to partners capital. So partner capital will be credited by salary to partners. In the column of what? B. कितना? 6,000. Now by salary to partners इधर क्या आता है? To salary to partner. And वो partner कौन है? सिर्फ B. कितना है? 500 into 12, which is 6,000. Should interest on capital be given? Yes. Interest to be allowed at the rate of how much? 6% per annum. तो कहाँ आएगा? By interest on capital, and here to interest on capital. Now show the calculation in appropriation account. A or B. On 30,000, tell me. On 30,000 at the rate of 6%, which is how much? 1,800. On 20,000 at the rate of 6%, which is how much? 1,200. Total is how much? 3,000. So 1,800 and 1,200. Clear? Yes. Are there drawings in the sums? Yes. Will drawings affect both P&L appropriation and partners capital or only partners capital? Only partners capital. Interest on drawings will affect both, but drawings will affect only partners capital. Entry will be partners capital to drawings given. I'll put it in pink so that it is affecting only one. Two drawings. कितना है? 8,000 10,000 क्या? 8 और 10 8,000 and 10,000. Clear? Now there is no interest on capital. If nothing is mentioned, so leave it. नहीं तो rate of interest तो देंगे. Now one more thing. Caution, word of caution. If suppose interest on capital is given as 8%, how much? Then how much? What is the interest? Tell me in this. इस सम में तो नहीं है, but I am saying अगर दिया है interest on not capital, interest on capital नहीं, interest on drawings. If interest on drawings is how much? 8%. Tell me what will be the amount? अरे tell me drawings कितना है? 8,000. and 10,000. So I am saying interest on drawings is how much? 8%. So please calculate. कैसा 640 आता है? नहीं नहीं गलत है. Reason is punch word is this. Punch word is during the year. When it is see, if it is withdrawn at the beginning of the year, 1 full year interest will come. If the drawings are made in between, then 6 months. Now here the date of drawings are not given. So you have to assume that during the when they use the word during the year, it means that withdrawn interest should be calculated for 6 months. How many months? So whenever, please understand this, whenever they say drawings are made during the year, assume that the drawings are made after how many months? 6 months, middle of the year, and calculate interest for how many months? 6 months. ये interest on drawings chapter में आएगा, but I'm still telling you. In this sum, interest on drawings नहीं है तो छोड़ दो, सिर्फ drawings है. चलो हो गया. Now finish off P&L this thing. ये finish off करो. कितना आता है इधर? 25,000. 25,000. Profit is how much? 16,000. 16,000 will go to partners capital. To partners capital. बोलो A and B. A and B. 16,000 into 5 by 8. कितना है? 10,000. And here 16,000 into 3 by 8. कितना है? 6,000. So इधर क्या आएगा? By P&L appropriation. By P&L appropriation. How much? 10,000 and 6,000. हो गया. Total it. This will be 41,800. This will be 33,200. बराबर है, if I am not wrong. 41,800. 33,200. To balance. Carry it down. This will come in the balance sheet. कितना? 33,800 and 23,200 is the balancing figure. All of you got it? All of you are there with me? So they can ask you to prepare both P&L appropriation as well as partners capital. ये सब में सिर्फ P&L appropriation पूछा है, अगले सब में partners capital पूछा है, वो मैंने कर दिया अभी. देखो है ना, ये देखो P&L appropriation करेक्ट है. सैलरी, A's capital, B's capital, interest, ये देखो ये anyway they put appropriation but I put separately. A's capital देखो बराबर है 33,800. B's capital देखो 23,200. They have done separately. I have done in one only. We're taking 2 columns, no problem. So bhai sahab, question number 4 is also done because the same sum they have asked you to prepare what? Partners capital account also. Is that clear? All of you understood? Fixed capital, fluctuating capital, which I have already done. Okay. Yeah. Guaranteed profit, ये करेंगे अभी. Okay. Okay. Now, let us take the next important thing is interest on drawings. What? Interest on capital as well as drawings, but first we'll take interest on what? Drawings. Interest on drawings. Okay. Now, what do you mean by drawings? Money or money's worth withdrawn by the owner from his business for personal use is known as drawings. Is that clear? Now, guys, there is a difference between drawings against profit and drawings against capital. So, drawings are of 2 types. Okay, please take down. Drawings are of 2 types. One, drawings against profits. Okay, and then drawings against capital. Okay. Now concentrate here. Okay, I'll give you an example so that I can understand. Hear it carefully, guys. Okay, now suppose let us assume capital account. All of you concentrate here. Okay, in capital account I'll just take only one partner. Okay, in capital account, let us say by balance brought down, let us say this is a core capital. When you started the business, the capital was 1 lakh. Okay, then you have by salary to partner, salary, commission, bonus, whatever you say. Okay, let us say this is 20,000. Then you have by interest on capital. Let us say this is also 20,000. And by profit and loss appropriation account, let us say in bracket profits, let us say this is 10,000. Okay, now total kitna ho gaya? 1,50,000. Now I'll ask you a question, please answer this. Okay, how much can I withdraw? Let us say this is my capital account, Vinayak's capital, Vinayak sir's capital. How much can I withdraw? कितना withdraw कर सकता हूं मैं मेरे capital से? Now I'm asking you a question. How much can I withdraw? Can I withdraw 1,50,000? Because my capital account is showing a credit balance of what? 1,50,000. I'll withdraw 1,50,000. No problem. क्या है तुमको? No, sir. When you started the business, you introduced a capital of how much? 1 lakh. That is your core capital. What capital? With that capital, I would have purchased some assets. So I cannot withdraw that core capital. So ये जो balance है ना, भाई साहब, ये है core capital. What? Core capital. This core capital I cannot withdraw. If I withdraw that core capital, that is known as withdrawal of capital. What? हाँ, so how much can I withdraw is, my dear friends, ये जो 50,000 है ना, ये इसमें से 20,000 मेरा सैलरी है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इतना है और मेरा प्रॉफिट 10,000 है. So total 50,000 I can withdraw. So if I withdraw 50,000, hello, if I withdraw how much? Tell me. 50,000. This 50,000 if I withdraw, then that is known as drawings against profits. But if I withdraw out of this 1 lakh, then it is known as drawings against capital. Understood? Is that clear? And generally, drawings against capital means the core capital you are what? Withdrawing. This is what is the meaning of drawings against profits and drawings against capital. Now, please understand this. How much can I withdraw here? Suppose if I withdraw, let us say 55,000. How much? So, मेरे को withdraw कितना करना है? Actually, only this much I can withdraw, but I have withdrawn 55,000. It means that I can say two drawings. This is nothing but drawings, tell me, against profits. Profit, salary, one and the same. Is that clear? Profit, salary, interest, ये सब. Okay? I should write 50,000. Then two, cash or bank. I will not say drawings for this. 5,000. This is, tell me, drawings against, tell me, capital. अलग है. Are you able to understand? So I once again repeat. I have got salary, interest on capital, profit of 50,000 during the year. So during the year, how much can I withdraw? 50,000 only. That is drawings. But if I withdraw more than 50,000, then anything above 50,000 which I have withdrawn, that is known as not drawings, that is drawings against what? Capital. So usko drawings account nahi aata, usko directly cash. Is that clear? So this is the difference between what? Drawings against profits and drawings against capital. Got it? Understood? So likho idhar difference. Difference between what? First, Drawings against profits. Second, drawings against capital. Okay. First difference क्या है? It is a part of profits. It is a part of, tell me, profits. Means profits is withdrawn. Means salary, interest on capital and profits. Is that clear? And here what should I write? It is part of capital. Punch word, either part of profit, part of capital. Difference number 2. ये जो इंटरेस्ट, ये ड्राइंग्स है ना, करेक्ट, राइट देयर, इट इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड to calculate interest on capital. To calculate interest on capital. Like for example in this case, hello, आ जाओ इधर. अभी इधर प्रॉफिट मेरे को कितना है बैलेंस, 2 बैलेंस carried down, it will be 95,000. बराबर है? Yes. Now if I ask you to calculate interest on capital, how will you calculate? On 1 lakh minus this 5,000. Of course date wise, date के हिसाब से. Is that clear? You will not say 1 lakh ये +20 +20 +10 -50 ऐसा नहीं करोगे. Interest is calculated on what? Core capital. Interest on capital. Interest on? Is that clear? You will not get interest on these things. सर ये भी मेरा कैपिटल है, तो हो गया ना कैपिटल सर, 20 20 10 ये मेरा कैपिटल हो गया ना अभी. हाँ कैपिटल हो गया, बट यू विल नॉट गेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल नहीं मिलता आपको. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज ऑन व्हाट? कोर कैपिटल माइनस ड्राइंग्स अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट्स. समझ में आया? इज दैट क्लियर? सो टेल मी, ड्राइंग्स अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट्स, इसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता. इज दैट क्लियर? यू शुड नॉट कंसिडर इट. इधर क्या लिखूं? बोलो. Drawings against capital, is it considered in calculating interest on capital? Yes, it is. Tell me. Considered to calculate interest on capital. Third, it is debited to drawings account. It is debited in what account? Drawings account. And here debited in, debited in capital. Capital को ही debit होता है, directly capital. Capital account debit to cash, ऐसा. It is not drawings account debit to cash. It is debited in what account? Capital account directly. See, ultimately drawings ugly, capital ugly, anyway everything will go to capital only. But when you open a separate account drawings, it means that you are withdrawing from the profits, not from the capital. If you directly debit capital account, it means that is withdrawal of what? Capital. Is that clear? Next. Fourth, it does not reduce the capital. What does not reduce the capital? Drawings against profits will not reduce the core capital. It does not reduce the capital. It does not reduce capital. Here, does it reduce? It reduces capital. Popularly known as, tell me, popularly known as, hello, drawings against profit is popularly known as drawings. Known as what? This is not known as drawings. This is popularly known as withdrawal of capital. What? Withdrawal of capital. Is that clear? समझ में आ रहा है? Any difficulty, guys? Is that clear? Okay, आ जाओ. Now, heading you read there. Calculation of interest on drawings. Okay. Many times this question is asked in the examination for second year as well as foundation. Okay, guys. Okay, right there. Interest on drawings. Please write interest on drawings is basically calculated with reference to the time period for which the money was withdrawn. Okay. Various methods are used for calculating interest on drawings. First method, direct method. What method? Second is product method. Third is shortcut method. Now, shortcut method in only in certain cases, not in all the cases. Okay. Now, this method, in shortcut method you write, this method can be adopted, can be applied when a fixed amount is withdrawn at fixed dates So amount should be fixed, date should also be what? Fixed. It means that it should be something like annuity. 1000 withdrawn at the beginning of each month, 1000 withdrawn at the middle of each month, 1000 withdrawn at the end of each month. Is that clear? So 1000 every month, date is also same, time gap is also same. तब जाके shortcut method आता है, नहीं तो shortcut method नहीं आता. Is that clear? Okay. Any difficulty here? Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll give you certain sums. Interest on drawings. First I'll give you sums on direct method and what? Product method. And then we will take from here the shortcut method also, sums I'll give you. Is that clear? So first I'll teach you direct method as well as product method. Is that clear? Right there. Example number 1. Example number 1. Okay, right there. Example 1. Calculate interest on drawings. First time calculating interest on drawings. Interest on capital का भी लेंगे हम. Is that clear? Calculate interest on drawings with the help of following information. For the year ending 31st March 2025. Year is important. Okay, take down the information, date of drawings and amount withdrawn. Date of drawings 1/4/2024 10,000. 1/8/2024 20,000. 1/10/2024 15,000. 1/1/2025 5,000. And 1/3/2025 10,000. Assume interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay, shall we proceed? Okay, this can be asked for 6 marks in your PUC2, and this can be asked for 2-3 marks for your CA foundation. Okay, so how to do it? First, direct method. Answer. Calculation of interest on drawings. Calculation of interest on drawings. Date of drawings. Calculation and amount. Amount of interest. Okay, I am doing direct method first. I'll put it as interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Okay. Okay, first keep on telling me the dates. Fast. Tell me the dates. 1/4/2024. Second, 1/8/2024. Third, 1/10/2024. Fourth, 1/1/2025. Correct? Then 1/1/3/2025. Now how to calculate? I'll tell you. Now stop writing. I'll help you out. आ जाओ इधर. Now tell me, when is the first drawings made? I am asking a question. Please all of you please be involved here. When is the date first drawings? So on the beginning of the first year you withdraw how much? 10,000. So 10,000 into 12% into 12/12. All of you agree? Why? 12 months. तो बताइए आंसर कितना आता है? 10,000 into 12% directly, which is 1,200. Clear? Now tell me the next one. कितना amount withdraw किया है? 20,000. 20,000 into 12% into how many months? August. First 1/8 is August. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Year end is March. See, sometimes year end will be given in the month of December. Accordingly, you have to calculate. So here it is how many months? 8 months. So 8/12. कितना आता है देखो? 20,000 into 12% into 8 divided by 12 will give you 1,600. Next amount 15,000 na? 15,000 into 12% into how many months? How 6 months? 10 है ना, 1st October. So October पूरा महीना, 1st October है तो पूरा October. Suppose if it is 31st October, then leave October, start with November. So here it is 1st October, October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months? 6 by 12. कितना आया? 900. Is that clear? Next date कितना amount? 5,000. 5,000 into 12% into January, February, March. All of you getting it? 3 by 12. कितना आया? 150. Next 10,000 है. Last amount कितनी है? 10,000 into 12% into 1 by 12. कितना आता है? हाँ 100. Now total करो. Total interest on drawings. ऐड करो इसको. 3,950. 1,200 plus 1,600 plus 900 plus 250. 3,000 हो गया. This is which method? Directly I am calculating. This is not product method. Method 1. All of you got it? All of you got it? Shall we go to method 2? Same sum. This is method 1, M1. Chalo, method 2. Tell me. What is method 2? Product method. And this is a very popular method which is asked in your examination, second year. Columns क्या क्या चाहिए देखो. Date of drawings. Amount. Number of months or days. Here it will be months. If days are given, take days. Product. If this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Column 4 is column 2 into column 3. Okay, keep on telling me the date of drawings first. 1/4/24. Next 1/8/24. 1/10/24. 1/1/25. 1/3/25. Amount बोलो. 10,000, 20,000, 15,000, 5,000, 10,000. Now the crucial part is the third column. Okay. Now stop writing. First here and then you put the numbers. Stop writing. I'll ask you a question. Please answer it. What is the first date of drawings? 1st April. Now from 1st April to 31st March, how many months? So you have to write it 12. Similarly, you tell me from 1st August to 31st March. Everything is up to 31st March because year end is 31st March. So from 1st August 24 to 31st March 2025, how many months? 8 months. Here 6 months. Here 3 months. Here 1 month. It can be 0 also if it is 31st March. So 0 है तो 0 लेने का. Is that clear? 31st March to 31st March is what? 0. Here it is not 31st March, it is 1st March. Now what you have to do is multiply both these. दोनों multiply डाल के product निकालो. So it is something like this into this. Is equal to ऐसा. समझ में आ रहा है? Is equal to इधर डालो. Amount. डालो. चलो. 1,20,000. Here 1,60,000. Then 90,000. Then 15,000 ना, then 10,000. Total बोलो. ओके कितना है? 3,95,000 बराबर है ना. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स? इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स फॉर्मूला देखो. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज नोन एज सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू इतना है. सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट 3,95,000 is, this sign is sum, summation, sum of the product. So interest on drawings is sum of product into rate into 1 month divided by 12 months. Why 1 by 12? Because you have already multiplied with number of months. Are you understood or no? So once again you don't take months here, directly 1 divided by 12. Any sum it will be 1 divided by 12. If it is months, if it is days, 1 day divided by 365 days. So I once again repeat guys, ये months में है, number of months है करके divide by 12. If this number of months becomes what? Tell me. Days, then it will be 1 divided by 365 days. Then here, because here you will get what? Days and not months. समझ में आया? अभी calculate करो. Put the numbers. Sum of the product कितना है? 3,95,000 into 12% into 1 by 12 कितना है? Now tell me, is the answer under first method and second method one and the same? Any method you can use in the examination, but if they ask you specifically product method, then you have to follow this method only. Up till here any difficulty? I am asking a question. Up till here any difficulty? I have given you 3 methods, no? Shortcut method. This sum, in this sum, can you do shortcut method? Why? This method can be applied when a fixed amount is withdrawn at fixed dates. Means amount is fixed, time gap between 2 withdrawals is also fixed. Then we cannot follow. Clear? Okay. एक काम करेंगे. What I'll do is, I'll take a typical sum. Okay, example 2. Hello. In this one sum na, you will understand the logic of shortcut method. Okay. Now if I give you a sum, saying that calculate the interest on drawings of Mr. Ram at the rate of 10% per annum for the year ended 31st December, I'll take 2025, if he withdrew 2,000 per month in the beginning of each month. The beginning of each month. One second. What they are saying, beginning of each month. And this is not financial year, calendar year. Means year starts with 1st Jan. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. And when is he withdrawing? Beginning of each month. Means one is the first withdrawal, 1st January. Second withdrawal, 1st February. Third withdrawal, 1st March. Then 1st April. वैसा समझ में आ रहा है? Sir, we can do this with product method. We can do with this direct method. मगर बड़ा हो जाएगा ना. कैलकुलेशन ऐसा आएगा, डोंट टेक इट, वेट, लुक एट द मेथड. हेलो, क्या आएगा? डेट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉन्ग कट मेथड, नॉट शॉर्टकट मेथड. डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग्स, then calculation, and then result, that is amount of interest. So date of drawings 1/1/25, 1/2/25, 1/3/25, 1/4/25. Then calculation will be amount withdrawn is 2000 into 10% into 12 by 12, 2000 into 10% into 11 by 12, 2000 into 10% into 10 by 12, so on and so forth. Donkey's work, no? Katti kelsa hai. So it will be too big and you will be wasting your what? Time. So ऐसा करते करते एंड में कैसा आएगा? एंड में आएगा ये सब करते करते एंड में आएगा 1/12/2025. लास्ट में क्या आएगा? 2000 into 10% into 1/12. Now if you do this method, you will still get the answer correct, but टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. बट एनीवे विल डू इट. एक मिनट रहो, मैं बाद में शॉर्टकट मेथड बताऊंगा आपको. ओके हाँ, 1 5 4 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9 1 10 1 11 and 1 12. ओके 25 25 25 ईयर 25 ओनली. हाँ बताइए. 2000 2000 2000 2000 2000 2000 सर कितींदा करायचं सर हे? इवन प्रोडक्ट मेथड सेम हॅपन्स ना. ओके एनिवे, रे बाबा बोर आलं रे मला. हां हां इधर है 9/12, 8/12, 7/12, 6/12, 5/12, 4/12, 3/12, 2/12, 1/12. Now wait, I'll put a different ink here. These two. This is 12/12 and this is 1/12. 1/12. Okay. Now calculate the interest. First one कितना है? 200 है. Second one 183.33. Correct. Then 166.67. Next 150. Next 133.33. Correct. 2000 into 10%. So 200 divided into 8 divided by 12 na. 133. Then 116.67. Then 100. Then 83.33. 66.67. 50. 33.33. 16.67. ऐड करो. ऐड करो सब. 1300 हो एग्जैक्ट ಏನು 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 1300 आता आंसर. स्मार्ट वर्क और डोंकीज वर्क. Now that is why I have put something in red. First withdrawal, hello, first withdrawal is 12 months. First withdrawal interest will be charged for how many months? 12 months. Last withdrawal interest is charged for 1 month. Add करो. 12 plus 1 add करो. 12 months plus 1 month. Forget about divided by 12. 12 months plus 1 month divided by 2. 6.5. So 6.5 is the average months. 6.5 is the ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕೊತ್ತಾನೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 2000 into 12 2000 into 12 because 2000 every month yearly it will be into 12 कितना हो गया 24,000 into 10% into 6.5 divided by 12 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ कितना आया कि नहीं कितना लिया आपने 24,000 हेलो 24,000 into 10% into 6.5 divided by 12 कितना आया कि नहीं 1,300 आया कि नहीं ये बंद लो ये नहीं लो शॉर्टकट मेथड इजी है ना सो 6.5 कैसा आया 6.5 कैसा आया टेक द फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग्स एंड कैलकुलेट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग्स टिल द ईयर एंड हाउ मेनी मंथ्स 12 मंथ्स टेक द लास्ट डेट ऑफ ड्राइंग्स टिल द एंड ऑफ द ईयर कितना आया 1 month ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇದು ತಿಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗೆ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ 31st March is how many months 12 months not 31st March 31st December year is that clear from 1st December to 31st December how many months 1 month so 12 plus 1 is how much 13 divided by 2 average करने का is that clear understood ऐसा होता है so shortcut method का मैं आपको चार्ट ही दे दूंगा is that clear चार्ट क्या है shortcut method okay if fixed amount is withdrawn if fixed amount is tell me withdrawn interest on drawings is equal to okay is equal to here first one in the beginning of each month in the heading beginning of heading each month tell me in the beginning of in the beginning of each month ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ರೇಟ್ obviously rate divided by 100 means rate percentage into 6.5 divided by 12 this is the answer similarly tell me if the fixed amount is withdrawn at the end of each month ಹೇಳ್ರಿ अभी वही लॉजिक रखो end of each month means first drawings is made on 1st January or 31st January so from 31st January to 31st December is 11 months and last drawings is made on 31st December so from 31st December to 31st December is 0 months so 11 plus 0 divided by 2 कितना आता है 5.5 so कितना आता है आंसर बोलो total drawings ಹೇಳ್ರಿ total drawings into rate into 5.5 divided by 12 why 5.5 divided by 12 all of you understood hello ತಿಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ how did you get 5.5 first drawings is made let us say we'll take calendar year okay Jan to December ही ले रहे first drawings is made on 31st January from 31st January to 31st December how many months 11 months take the last drawings is made on 31st December 31st December to 31st December is 0 months so 11 plus 0 divided by 2 which will give you 5.5 understood similarly tell me middle of each month during the middle of each month ಹೇಳ್ರಿ middle of each month कैसा 6 आया first drawings is made on 15th Jan From 15th January to 31st December, 11.5 months. Then last drawings is made on 15th December. From 15th December to 31st December, half a month. So 11.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 12 divided by 2. कितना आता है? 6 months. So total drawings into rate into 6 by 12. Okay, आगे करेंगे. Fourth. Okay. Beginning of each quarter. In the beginning of each quarter. Quarter means how many months? Useless fellow. Quarter what is it? Quarter is 3 months. 4 कसा है? Quarter मारस रे? मग कोण सांगितलं? तुझंच आवाज आला की रे? अरे 3 3 3 3 टोटल मिला के 12 होता है ना. So 3 months is 1 quarter. 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. That I know. Is that clear? Now concentrate here. अभी देखो beginning of each quarter. So hello, अगर हम time period लिया, so when is the first drawings made? 1/1, 1st January 2024. Second withdrawal कब होगा? 1st April 2024. Third withdrawal कब होगा? 1st July 2024. Last कितना कब होगा? 1st हाँ बीच में होगा ना, 1st October 2024. ये लास्ट वन आता है 31st December. ड्राइंग्स नहीं आता, मगर दीज आर द 3 ड्राइंग्स. नो बिगिनिंग. ना अपने को कौन सा चाहिए? सिर्फ फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट. yes or no? Now tell me, from this date to 31st December, how many months? 12 months. From this date to this date, how many? 3. So plus 3 divided by 2. 7.5. समझ में आया? अरे कर ले कि नहीं? So first drawings and last drawings you have to take. First drawings till the last day of the year, then last drawings till the last day of the year. Divide by 2. दोनों को ऐड करके divide by 2. Understood? Calculation is clear? Any difficulty? So 7.5. So आ जाओ इधर. क्या आता है आंसर? Total drawings. Total drawings, not only per month drawings. Total drawings. हाँ बोलो. Total drawings हाँ into rate into 7.5 divided by 12. Quarterly. Fifth, at the end of each quarter. At the end of each quarter. ना इधर आ जाओ. सेम पकड़ो अभी. आ जाओ guys. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. Tell me, if you draw a timeline taking 1st Jan 24 and 31st March, not March, December, 31st December 24. Tell me, when is the first drawings made? I'll put it in red ink now. First drawings 31st March. Last drawings directly last drawings लेंगे. हाँ okay, बीच में लेंगे. चलो हाँ चलो. Next drawings 30th June. Next 30th September. Last 31st December. Now look at the first drawings and the last drawings. Now from first drawings to end of the year, how many months? 9 months. From this date to this date, how many months? 0. So 9 months plus 0 months divided by 2, which will give you how much? 4.5. अर्थ आता है? आ जाओ. क्या लिखूं इधर? कुछ भी लिखो सर. Total drawings into rate into 4.5 divided by 12. during the middle of each quarter. During the middle of each quarter. हाँ बोलो total drawings into rate into middle of each quarter. आ जाओ timeline. First Jan 31st December. Middle of each quarter. कधी येणार डेट सांगा. हाँ 15th Feb. 15th Feb ना. January, February, March. 3 महीने का middle is February only. February 15th. Then April, May, June. Middle will be May. 15th May. Correct. Then July, August, September. August, 15 August. Correct. Then October, November, December. November 15th. 15th November. Now we want this date and this date. इधर से इधर कितना महीना हो गया? अरे सांगा कि 15th February to 31st December how many months? 10.5 months. Very good. इधर से इधर कितना महीना हो गया? 1.5 months. So 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2 is how many? 6. आ जाओ. हाँ. Into 6 by 12. आला. So where see 6 by 12 दो जगह आता है. 6 by 12. हेलो 6 by 12 दो जगह आता है. कहाँ कहाँ आता है? Middle of each month, middle of each quarter. So whether it is middle of each month, middle of each quarter, the formula will remain the same. Answer will differ because the total drawings will be per month drawings into 12. Here total drawings will be per quarter into 4. There are 4 quarters. Are understood or no? Here see here quarterly 4 quarters. You have to multiply by 4. Here monthly means multiply by 12. Understood? Is that clear? To find out the total drawings. ತಿಳಿತೋ ये चार्ट हमेशा याद रखना. This is a shortcut method chart. Logic also I have given you. I hope you understood the logic. Even if you forget the formula, at least logic if you remember, आपको आंसर आएगा. इसलिए लॉजिक बताया. Is that clear? There is one more logic. See here. Hello. ये करो. ये देखो इधर. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ये सब ऐड करो. I think you'll get 78. देखो. वाह रे वाह सगळं जण खटाखट 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 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus useless fellows. Madam has taught you all the shortcut method, no? Sum of the numbers, consecutive numbers, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 है ना वो? ये नहीं लो नहीं है कि नहीं? कहाँ है संगा? नहीं है. हाँ तो क्या है? एन कितने हैं? 12. हाँ 12 इंटू 13 डिवाइड बाय कितना है? हाँ फॉर्मूला 78 is a total. Now hello, what I have done is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 add किया. Anyway it is divided by 12, no? So 78 divided by 12 करो. कितना है? 6.5. That is the logic. अदर नंबर्स आर कांस्टेंट यार. 2,000 कॉमन है. 10% भी कॉमन है. क्या चेंज हो रहा है कि ओनली 12, 11, 10 ये चेंज हो रहा है. डिवाइड बाय 12 इज ऑल्सो कॉमन. सो इसलिए वैसा लॉजिक आता है. बट बेटर देन दैट लॉजिक इज ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग डिवाइड बाय 2. मीन्स ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग, लास्ट दिस थिंग ड्राइंग्स आउटस्टैंडिंग. कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग है देखो, डिवाइड बाय 2. इज दैट क्लियर? एनी डिफिकल्टी? नाउ इसका आंसर निकालो. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? हेलो, इसका आंसर एक लाइन में आना चाहिए. आंसर बोलो. इसका आंसर एक लाइन में आना चाहिए. कैलकुलेट द इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स ऑफ मिस्टर राम 10% फॉर द ईयर एंडेड इफ यू विड्रू 2000 पर मंथ, 2000 इंटू 12 आएगा, मंथली है, क्वार्टरली नहीं है, क्वार्टरली रहा तो इंटू 4. सो आंसर क्या आएगा, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स इज इक्वल टू 2000 इंटू 12 इंटू रेट कितना है 10% इंटू 6.5 डिवाइड बाय आंसर इज 13. क्लियर, शॉर्टकट मेथड आ गया. एनी डिफिकल्टी? एनी डिफिकल्टी? Okay, acha, come on, hello. If I give you the same sum at the end of each month, answer क्या आएगा? Same, 24,000, that is 2000 into 12 into 10% into 6.5 or 5.5 into 5.5 divided by 12. Answer कितना आया? 1,100. Now the same sum if I say middle of each month, then it will be what? 24,000 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. कितना? 1,200. Is that clear? Hello? Any difficulty? Any difficulty? Now, 1 second, wait. Quarterly देता हूं मैं. Let me see omnificent shortcut method बताने का. Only I am giving you orally. All of you. Vinayak sir withdraws 2,000 at the beginning of each quarter. Only 2,000 at the beginning of each quarter. Beginning of each quarter is 7.5 months. What is the total drawings? अरे total drawings इतना आएगा. ओए one काना खाली वाजो तो 2,000 every quarter. 2,000 into how many quarters are there? 4. So 2,000 into 4. 8,000 is total drawings. Hey, so 8,000 into 10% into 7.5 divided by 12. कितना है आंसर? 500. समझ में आया? Now tell me, at the end of each quarter, same sum, 2,000 rupees at the end of each quarter. 8,000 is total drawings. 4.5 आएगा ना? So 8,000 into 10% into 4.5 divided by 12. कितना आया? 300. And middle of each quarter, 8,000 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. 400. समझ में आया? So 500, 300 and 400. I hope all of you understood the answer. Total drawings कैसे calculate करने का? Monthly दिया तो amount of drawings into 12. Quarterly दिया तो amount of drawings into 4. One more thing you remember. If they don't, hello? Oh, concentrate. If they don't give the date of drawings, and if they say during the year the drawings are 50,000, during the year means take interest should be calculated for 6 months. One more note you write. If the date is not mentioned and they say during the year the drawings are made, interest will be calculated for 6 months at whatever rate is given in the question. Is that clear? Any difficulty? Drawings so ho gaya. Okay. Now, calculation of interest on capital. Calculation of interest on capital. All of you are able to understand? Okay. Now, first of all, tell me what is the rationale behind giving interest on capital. I'll give you an example here. Now let us assume, hello, please concentrate all of you. Let us assume you and me, we both start a partnership business. But you bring in 10 lakhs, I bring in only 2 lakhs. तुम 10 लाख ला रहे हो बिजनेस के अंदर, मैं 2 लाख ला रहा हूं. Correct? Now, what you are saying is, sir, I have bought in 10 lakhs, you have bought only how much? 2 lakhs. Correct? Though working we are doing equally. You also work for 8 hours, even I am working for 8 hours. You also work equally hard, even I work equally hard. Our profit sharing ratio is equal. But what will you tell, sir? Sir, I have contributed how much? 10 lakhs. You have contributed only how much? 2 lakhs. It means that you have contributed less. Correct? What will you say? We'll share the profits equally, sir. But after giving interest on capital. What will you say? Had I put this extra 8 lakhs in the bank, I would have got interest. That is why interest on capital is given, just to compensate. Had you kept this 10 lakhs into the bank, you would have earned some interest. Had I kept this 2 lakhs into the bank, I would have also earned what? Interest. For that, interest on capital is given. And we have seen in appropriation account, first profits only will not be given. First, interest on salary वगैरह कुछ रहता है तो salary देने का first. Then interest on capital. Then comes profit sharing ratio. Profits will be distributed. So that is why the rationale behind that is, had you kept that money in the bank, you would have got what? Interest. So interest should be given on capital. Is that clear? Now how to calculate interest on capital? Now इधर आ जाओ, ये logic starting का आज दिन का मैंने जब शुरुआत किया, ये किया ना, इससे क्या किया मैंने? Drawings against profits, drawings against capital. See, drawings against profits, interest on drawings is charged. Drawings against capital, interest on drawings is not charged, but that will go to reduce your core capital. If it goes to reduce your core capital, your interest on capital will also change. And here I have given, see there, it is considered while calculating interest on capital. Here it is not considered while calculating interest on capital. This we have already given the difference, drawings against profits and drawings against capital. So based on this, we will see a sum so that I can understand how it is. Is that clear? Okay, aa jao. Take this sum. All of you write. Example 3, 4. Example 3, whatever. Example 3, 4, whatever it is. Take it. Right there, X and Y. Started business on 1st April 2024 with capitals of rupees 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. Respectively means X is 5 lakhs, Y is 3 lakhs. Okay. On 1st May 2024, X introduced additional capital of rupees 1 lakh and Y withdrew rupees 50,000 from his capital. On 1st October 2024, X withdrew rupees 2 lakhs from his capital and Y introduced rupees 2,50,000, obviously on the same day. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. Calculate interest on capital for the year ending 31st March 2025. ओके पहला x का लेंगे हम. हेलो, पहला x का लेंगे, बाद में y का लेंगे. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट टेल मी calculation of interest on capital in bracket Mr. X. Now I am going to ask you questions based on this. Please give me the things. Okay, first When is the opening capital? Tell me. When he started the business? First. So on 1/4/24, what is the capital introduced? 5 lakhs. Now this 5 lakhs is there in the business for how many months? 12 months. Answer here. Clear? So into 6% into 12/12 कितना आता है बोलो? एक मिनट रहो, एक मिनट रहो. This is opening capital. Correct? हाँ बोलो. 5 lakhs हाँ into 6% into 12/12 कितना आया? 30,000. Okay. Now tell me the next date. On the next date वो introduce किया है क्या? Introduce किया है क्या withdraw किया है? कब introduce किया है? On 1/5/2024. This is additional capital. Additional capital. Okay. Opening capital हो गया, ये additional capital. Now additional capital 1/5 को दिया है ना. So 1/5 to 31st March. अभी ये 31st March है, कैलेंडर ईयर नहीं है, फाइनेंशियल ईयर. हाँ कितना महीना? अरे कितना महीना? अरे आंसर यार, how many months? From 1/5/2024 to 31st March 2025. how many months? 11 months. मग सांगा की additional capital किती आहे? How much has he introduced? Forget about Y. How much has X introduced? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 6% into 11/12. किती झालं? 5,000? 5,500. 5,500. Now, any withdrawal has he made? Is it withdrawal of profits or withdrawal of capital? Withdrawal of capital. This is not withdrawal of profits. And withdrawal of capital should be considered for interest on capital. अभी ये interest minus होगा, क्या होगा? Minus. Now tell me, when is the date of drawings? Tell me. 1/10/2024 drawings. Drawings against? Against? Very good. Not drawings against profits. Drawings against capital. This will be considered while calculating interest. Correct? हाँ कितना होगा? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs withdraw किया है. हाँ 2 lakhs into 6% into how many months? 6 months. कितना है आंसर? हाँ ये 6,000 प्लस होगा या माइनस होगा? हाँ ये लेस होगा भाई साहब, ये ऐड होगा फर्स्ट वन. अरे अंडरस्टूड. ये ऐड होगा और ये क्या होगा? लेस होगा. हाँ अभी देखो टोटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना आया? 29,500. ऐसा कैलकुलेट किया जाएगा. ये किसका हो गया? एक्स का. वाई का करेंगे. वो सांगा की वाईचा करेंगे. चला मिस्टर वाई. 1/4/2024 opening capital. Tell me. 3 lakhs into 6% into 12/12 कितना आया? 18,000. Clear? What is the next? Drawings. I think he has made drawings first. कब किया है? फर्स्ट में. 2024. ये लेस होगा. लेस क्योंकि ड्राइंग्स है. ड्राइंग्स अगेंस्ट कैपिटल. टेल मी कितना विड्रॉ किया उसने? 50,000 इंटू 6% इंटू 11/12 कितना है? 2750 माइनस होगा. ड्राइंग्स है, बाद में ऐड होगा. क्या ऐड होगा? एडिशनल कैपिटल. एडिशनल कैपिटल प्लीज टेल मी. एडिशनल कैपिटल कब डाला है उसने? डेट है 1 10 6 मंथ्स के लिए कैलकुलेट, ऐड होगा ये अमाउंट कितना है? अरे आंसर यू रीड द क्वेश्चन यार. आई थिंक वाई हैज इंट्रोड्यूस 2,50,000 2,50,000 इंटू 6% इंटू 6/12 कितना है? 7,500. टोटल करो. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना है? 22,750. 22,750. माइनस. अरे मतलब ए, अरे घंट्या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये म्हटलं तर माइनस, लेस म्हणून लिहिले बघ तिकडे, लेस आणि ऍड. ड्रॉइंग्स विल ऑब्वियसली उतना इंटरेस्ट डिडक्ट करना पड़ेगा. This is drawings against capital, not drawings against profit. If they given the sums drawings against profit, then you don't consider only for this. Is that clear? Concept clear हो रहा है? Very much. All of you? Okay, good. Now wait. Hello. इसका और एक शॉर्टकट मेथड भी है, क्योंकि एवरीवेयर इट इज 6%, एवरीवेयर इट इज हमने, तो उसका शॉर्टकट मेथड भी कर सकते आप. ओके अभी इसका लेंगे, किसका? एक्स का. ओके नाउ इफ आई डू इट लाइक दिस, सर दिस 5 lakhs into 12 डिवाइड बाय 12 करो. ये परसेंटेज छोड़ दो, परसेंटेज छोड़ दो. कितना है? 5 lakhs. करेक्ट. परसेंटेज छोड़ दो. एडिशनल कैपिटल 1 lakh इंटू 11/12 करो. कितना है? हाँ 91,660 6.66. तो 67 लेंगे, पॉइंट छोड़ देंगे, बड़ा नंबर है करके. ओके लास्ट वन बताओ. ड्राइंग्स है, ड्राइंग्स है. सो 2 lakhs इंटू 6/12 1 lakh माइनस होगा. अभी रेड कलर में जो किया है ना मैंने, उसको सब ये करो. 5 lakhs प्लस 91,667 प्लस 1 lakh कितना है? 6 lakhs. नहीं माइनस 1 lakh केलं की 5 lakhs बरोबर आहे. हां 4 lakhs किती येते ते? या 91,667 करेक्ट है. माइनस 1 lakh किती आलं? 4 lakhs. 4,91,667. सो ये जो रेड कलर में किया है ये आया 4,91,667. बराबर है? यस. नाउ 1 second. परसेंटेज कितना है? डायरेक्टली इंटू 6% इंटू 1 बाय इंटू 6% करा. किती आलं? 29,500. आ गया ना. सो दिस 4,91,667 इज नोन एज इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. क्या बोलते हैं? सो डायरेक्टली इंटू 6%. डायरेक्टली ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाइड विद नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स. सी इंटू 12 डिवाइड बाय 12 सब कुछ किया है ना, इधर डिवाइड भी किया है मैंने, और एक बार डिवाइड करने का जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली इंटू 6%. समझ में आया कि नहीं? सो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट कैपिटल दिस इज? दिस 4,91,667 इज व्हाट कैपिटल? इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. बोलो. सो इफेक्टिव कैपिटल इंटू रेट, दैट विल बी द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. ऐसा भी सम्स पूछ सकते हैं. नाउ कम डाउन टू बी. यू टेल मी हियर हाउ मच विल गेट? 3 lakhs. हाँ हेड रिले 3 lakhs इंटू 12/12 कितना आया? 3 lakhs. इधर है ये माइनस होगा, छोड़ो. 50,000 इंटू 11/12 किती आला? 45 833. ये माइनस होगा क्योंकि ड्राइंग्स है ना. ये सांगा कि रे बरोबर आलं की नाही बाबा? 50,000 इंटू 11 डिवाइड बाय 12 45,833 बरोबर आहे. आणि लास्ट वन सांगा 2,50,000 इंटू 6/12 कितना? 1 lakh. Now effective capital 3 lakhs minus 45,833 correct plus 1,25,000. Effective capital is 3,79,167 इंटू डायरेक्टली 6%. देखो वो 0.02 छोड़ दो 22,750 आया कि नहीं? दिस इज नोन एज टू फाइंड आउट इफेक्टिव कैपिटल. इफ दे आस्क यू टू फाइंड आउट इफेक्टिव कैपिटल, ऐसा करने का इफेक्टिव कैपिटल एंड देन and then they can say effective capital might be the profit sharing ratio. वैसा क्वेश्चंस भी पूछा गया है. Find out the profit sharing ratio is in effective capital. This is how you have to find out effective capital. ये तीतिल रो शॉर्टकट मेथड समझ में आया? कैपिटल को ले लो, उसको मंथ्स में मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय करो. एनीवे डिवाइड बाय 12 तो आता ही है, इनटू व्हाटएवर मंथ्स इट इज देयर. उसको इफेक्टिव कैपिटल डायरेक्टली इनटू परसेंटेज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, दैट विल बी द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. Is it simple? Hello? Able to understand? Clear? Any difficulty? Okay. Last concept of this particular unit. So this particular unit will get over if I explain you this last concept. This last concept is known as minimum guaranteed profit. What? I'll give you an example here. Okay. Okay, I'll give you an example, then I'll explain you after the break. Okay, I mean sums along with sums. Suppose A, B and C are partners. Hello, can you keep quiet? Hello guys, I want 100% concentration here. Suppose A, B, C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1:1. So what is the ratio? This is your profit sharing ratio. Now A and B are telling C, we will give you minimum 10,000. मिनिमम कितना? अभी सिचुएशन कैसा भी रहने दो, we will give you 10,000. लॉस रहने दो, प्रॉफिट रहने दो, प्रॉफिट कम होने दो, we will give you minimum how much? 10,000. Now for example, let us say case 1. तो C को कितना मिनिमम मिलने वाला है? 10,000 मिलने वाला है ये प्रॉफिट. लेट अस से केस 1 में प्रॉफिट्स आर ₹33,000. कितना? 33,000. नाउ ए को कितना मिलेगा? ए विल गेट 11, बी विल गेट 11, सी विल ऑल्सो गेट. सी इज हैप्पी, मिनिमम से ज्यादा मिल रहा है मुझे, बट मिनिमम 10 तो मिलना ही चाहिए. मिनिमम आई वांट 10,000, ही इज गेटिंग मिनिमम 10, अबाउ दैट ही इज गेटिंग 1,000 एक्स्ट्रा, ही विल टेक इट. सो दिस इज द आंसर. प्रॉब्लम कब आता है मालूम है? केस 2 व्हेन द प्रॉफिट्स आर 27,000. अभी 27,000 प्रॉफिट्स आया तो इक्वली करो पहला. ए बी सी 9,000 इसको, 9,000 बी को, 9,000 सी को. Now tell me, if you are C, will you keep quiet? What we are going to tell A and B? Mr. A and B, you have promised that you will give me a minimum of how much? But as per the profits, I am getting only how much? 9,000. There's a shortfall of this 1,000 shortfall. Who has to bear? That depends. If A and B say, okay, we'll share in profit sharing ratio. What? Profit sharing ratio. If A and B will say we'll share in some other ratio, then some other ratio. That depends on the sum. Let us assume it is in the profit sharing ratio. So tell me, plus किसको होना चाहिए? Plus C 1,000 तो मिलना चाहिए. But this 1,000 has to be borne by in their profit sharing ratio. 1,000 in the ratio of 1:1. कितना हो गया? 500 माइनस होगा इधर, 500 माइनस होगा, तो इसको फाइनली कितना मिलेगा? 8,000. इसको 8,000 और इसको total is anyway 27 only. This is known as minimum guaranteed profit. What? ऐसा भी सम्स आपको पूछ सकते हैं एग्जामिनेशन में, इवन इन सेकेंड ईयर, बिकॉज थोड़ा कॉम्पिटेटिव किया है सेकेंड ईयर का. सो दिस इज मिनिमम guaranteed profit. All of you understood? Suppose let us say the profits is only 6,000. Tell me. प्रॉफिट केस 3 लेंगे, चलो केस 3 प्रॉफिट्स आर 6000. हाँ बोलो. A B C, tell me. A 2000, B 2000, C शॉर्टफॉल कितना है, इसको +8, इधर -4, इधर माइनस, सो दे हैव टू बेयर द लॉस. समझ में आया? तो A को -2, B को भी -2, इसको, so 10,000 minus 2,000 minus 2,000 is ultimately what, 6,000. बट मिनिमम C को चाहिए. C बोलते हैं मुझे मालूम नहीं, मुझे चाहिए. यू बेयर द लॉस. तो A और B का कैपिटल कम होगा. A और B का कैपिटल 2,000 से. कैपिटल कम मीन्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, कैपिटल क्रेडिट मीन्स कैपिटल अकाउंट इंक्रीज. एवरीवन दैट नोज, एवरीवन नोज दैट. कैपिटल क्रेडिट मीन्स कैपिटल इज इंक्रीजिंग, कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट मीन्स कैपिटल इज रिड्यूसिंग. ये ऐसा होता है. These are the sums which can also come in your examination. Up till here, is that clear? We have done with unit number 1 of the Partnership Act, but we have to work out the sums. So after the break, exactly you have 15 minutes break, 6 o'clock I'll start, whether you come or not. Is that clear? Please go and have a break quickly and come back to the class. Accounts is there, you have to come back.